Hi guys, again, I don't know how to flip this so you can see my face, but since our last video didn't work when I was trying to do Zoom, I'm going to do a little rounding video for you. So, rounding is coming to the closest number of tens. So if I'm rounding to the closest 10, the tens column is here, ones column is here. The closest 10 is either going to be 20 or 30. So I can do this two ways. I can make a number line. I can put 20 here, 30 here. The middle of this is obviously 25. And I got to see where 24 fits in. Well, 24 fits here. So I know that 24 is closer to 20 than 30. So if I round 24 to the closest 10, it's going to be 20. A much easier way to do this is to remember the poem, 5 or more, raise the score. So 25, 37, 38, 38. I look at the 8. Always look at the ones column. When I'm talking about tens, I have to look at the ones column because that tells me what to do with the tens column. 8 is more than 5, so I'm going to raise the score, which means that's now going to be 40. Now let's look at 37. I'm going to look at the ones column. 7 is larger than 5. 5 or more, raise the score. So I'm going to raise that 3 to a 40 as well. Oh, 25, that's right in the middle. 5 or more, raise the score, which means that's going to be now a 30. All right, let's do some that aren't that. Let's do 24, 13, and 11. All right, 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest, which means that stays a 2. And then you just add a 0. There's a 3. 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Up, that's 4 or less, so I'm going to let that one rest there and just make a 0. That's rounded to 10. And then this next one is less than 5, it's 1. So 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. That would also be 10. So the video that is on Think Central also goes over this. And there's some games you can play on there as well. All right, good luck with this. And this is also in your math number 2, lesson unit 1, number 2 that you're going to do for tomorrow.